Those days are over, my friends. Today, we're diving into the world of GrabPay, the super convenient mobile wallet that lets you pay for rides, food, groceries, and a whole lot more, all from your phone. But before you unleash your inner cashless ninja, you gotta get it activated. So, how exactly do you unlock the power of GrabPay? Don't worry, it's a breeze. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Download the Grab app. First things first, you'll need the Grab app. It's free and available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Grab and download it. Easy peasy. Step 2. Sign up or log in. Once you've got the app downloaded, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. If you're new to Grab, creating an account is super quick. Just enter your phone number, verify it with a code, and set up a secure PIN. Step 3. Find your GrabPay wallet. Now for the fun part. Open the Grab app and look for the Payments section. It might be represented by an icon of a wallet or a credit card. Tap on that, and voila! You're staring at your very own GrabPay wallet. Step 4. Activate your GrabPay wallet. Here's where things might differ a little depending on your location. In some countries, your wallet might be activated by default. But in others, you'll need to take an extra step. Look for a button that says something like Activate GrabPay or Upgrade to GrabPay Wallet. Step 5. Verify your identity. For security reasons, Grab might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves entering some basic information like your full name, date of birth, and government ID number. Don't worry, this is all standard procedure to keep your hard-earned money safe. Step 6. Top up your GrabPay wallet, optional. Your GrabPay wallet is now activated. But it's probably empty at this point. To start using it, you'll need to add some funds. There are many ways to top up your GrabPay wallet, including credit/debit cards, bank transfers, and even cash at convenience stores. Pro tip, keep an eye out for promotions and deals. Grab often offers bonuses for topping up your wallet, so you can get extra value for your money. Congratulations! You're now a cashless warrior. With your GrabPay wallet activated and topped up, you're ready to conquer the world, or at least your neighborhood, without ever needing cash again. Pay for rides, order food deliveries, snag groceries, the possibilities are endless. Bonus tip, don't forget to explore the other features of GrabPay. You can use it to pay bills, send money to friends, and even earn rewards for using it regularly. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Grab app, activate your GrabPay wallet, and join the cashless revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.